Right, here we have my lovely car. And here's my lovely engine. Nah, I haven't got my rocker covers back. They've got to be sandblasted yet. Yeah, oh, will do. Here's my lovely little engine bay. Wishbones? Oh, in there. See inside there? Yeah. Here we have some nice bit of welding there. Lovely.
That's got to be, that's got to go on the top of that.
Yeah, I think I cut a plate out for that. Let's see what we've got here. Lovely. Here we have my nice brand new sills. In there. New steel plates welded in there. Strengtheners put down there. And an extra panel on the door. And then we have a nice floor pan sitting in there. Like that, Vic? Yeah, you pull it out and see what you think.
It's still got to be trimmed up.
Yeah. It's solid underneath. And there's the sill covers.
See what I mean?
They never match up properly.
That's what I said.
Yeah, I know. You seen the sill covers I've done? Yeah. There, look.
Oh, what's that for that side over there?
No, it's for this side. See this one there? Have a look.
I see you went a bit too far with this bit here.
Yeah. But it can be trimmed and pulled forward, but I don't think you can pull it forward any further than what it is. Somehow. You see, it's right up to the edge, isn't it? It's my lovely little engine bay with a nice rotten battery holder. That's a nice bit of rust there. It's got to be cut out. Come around here. There's all strengthening plates put in there. Cover in the sill, and there's extra panels being put in there. Yeah, yeah. I cleaned it up, but it's just got some of that rust curie stuff on it. So, yeah. As I say, yes, inside there, all new panels. If you pull that out, you see how that sits. There you go.
What's going on?
Oh, yeah, if you just go underneath, that's it. There you go, look at that. Perfect. See that?
Well, that's 1/4 inch away.
Huh?
It's not sitting.
No, hit it from underneath. Hit it from underneath. It's just a bit tight. That's all. It's actually, if you whack it from underneath, it'll go right out.
This is the one that ain't really fucking.
It's not really gone, but I still wanted to cover it up. It's going to outlast the car. So this is the main one. This one's not very good, but as I say, sort of it's all been cut out properly. I matched it up, so yeah.